Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a 4-color spiral. The shirt is turned inside out, and I'm using this fork with 2 of the tines bent up and out of the way to create a smaller center of the spiral. Just work your shirt around, trying to make sure that the pleats don't overlap each other. I like to secure my spirals using rubber bands. I find it a lot easier and faster than using the kite string. Now take a washable marker and divide the shirt directly in half. The goal with saturation on this shirt is not to oversaturate. Each color you want to have it penetrate down about halfway through the thickness of the shirt. the shirt sit for about 5 minutes and then came back and flipped it over, and I'm adding the darker colors to the back of the shirt now. So I let the shirt sit for about 5 minutes, came back, I flipped it over so that the dark colors are on the bottom, I stuck it inside a plastic tote and closed the lid and let it batch for 48 hours. Here are the final results of our shirt, and I think it turned out really pretty. Notice how the dark green is in between the light green? That's because we stacked the colors on top of each other. Same with the blue, the dark blue and the light blue. You can create this with any color combinations that you would like. Thanks so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.